How to file taxes by mail on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is sign into TurboTax account. To open your return, select continue. Now select file in the menu. You will see three steps here. Complete step 1 and 2 if you haven't already. Then select start or revisit next to step 3. On the we have determined the easiest way to file your taxes screen. Select change next to return. You want to file by mail. Then select file by mail on the next screen. Be sure to save. If the file by mail option isn't available, you must have previously selected to pay your TurboTax fees through your tax refund. To file by mail, you will need to instead pay with a credit or debit card. Once you change your payment method, you will see the file by mail option as described. Now select this and continue to the next step. Next thing you want to do is update the payment method for all TurboTax fees of all the tax returns you wish to file by mail. Now follow the instructions to print your return. If you haven't already paid any outstanding TurboTax fees, you will be prompted to do so before you can print. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.